Hello everybody. We are at the dog park right next to the Ocean Way Community Center in Jacksonville, Florida. Let's take a look around. There you go. Nice gated community. Lots of shade. Lots of shade. So nice little trails to take your dog for a walk. There we go. And this is your first look at my haircut. We are gonna spend the day just chilling out, checking out places on this Memorial Day. No plan. Usually I do have a plan, but for today, nah. And you can see that there's restrooms nearby, just a little past the fence there. There, better view. Basketball courts. Ta-da! Lots of dogs. And Jax is just enjoying himself. And there he goes, telling me to go catch up to him. So that's what I'm gonna do. And hope you all have a great day on this Memorial Day. I know I will. Other than that, it's a great park, peaceful, just a good place to take your dog for a walk. Again, that is in Tampa, Florida. I mean, not Tampa, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, called the dog park.